Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to see about the range of length, and then we move on to mass. In the last class we have seen about length, right? So in that length we have some more topics we have left. So here I have 1 Fermi is equal to 1 F. So what is 1 Fermi? 10 to the power minus 15 meter. 1 Armstrong is equal to, the symbol is 1a to the power, right? So the symbol is same. So 1 Armstrong is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. And 1 astronomical unit 1 AU is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. What is astronomical unit? The average distance between the sun and the earth. And 1 light year is 1 LY light year, that is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. 1 per second is equal to 3.08 into 10 power 16 meter. So these are all some range of length we have. So what is per second? Is the distance at which the average radius of earth orbit suspends an angle of 1 arc second. That is called per second, right? Then we are move on to measurement of mass. So generally how we measure the mass in commonly, yes, kilogram, right? So mass is a basic property of matter. It does not depend on the temperature, pressure or the location of the object in space. So clear that the mass is not depends upon location of the object. Right? Location of the object means gravity will not involve in mass. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. We can write in small letters, small k, small g. The prototypes of International Standard Kilogram supplied by the International Bureau of Weights and Measures BIPM are available in throughout world. But in India, it is available at the National Physical Laboratory (NPL), which is located in New Delhi. So NPL have almost all the equipments in India. The next one is Unified Atomic Mass Unit. The symbol is small u. Unified Atomic Mass Unit. The symbol is small u. Why we need to go for Unified Atomic Mass Unit? While dealing with atoms and molecules, the SI unit of mass is kilogram, right? That kilogram is an inconvenient unit because of their atoms and molecules are smaller in size. The Unified Atomic Mass Unit, which has been established for the expression the mass of atom as. So here I wrote 1 unified atomic mass unit is equal to 1 U. So what is 1 U? 1 U is equal to 1 by 12 of the mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. So here I wrote C12 6. So that is the carbon isotope we have, including the mass of electron. So the unified atomic mass unit have some value, that is 1 U is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. And here how we are measuring the mass for commonly and for bigger object and for smaller size. So commonly we are using, at shop we can able to see, right, common balancer. Yes, here we have the mass of commonly available objects can be determined by a common balance like the one used in grocery shop. The second one, the largest masses in the universe like planets, stars. Based on Newton's law of gravitation, can be measured by using gravitational method. And the third one is the measurement of small masses of atomic or subatomic particles. We make use of mass spectrograph. in which the radius of the trajectory is proportional to the mass of the charged particle moving in uniform electric and magnetic field. And here the common balance and mass spectrograph which is available in the coming videos. Yes, here we have. So one is a common balancer and another one is mass spectroscope. Here in the extreme right side you can able to see three different trajectory, right? Yes, two different trajectory you can able to see, M1 and M2. Look at the trajectory, the M1 and M2, which is more trajectory, M2 is more trajectory to and compared to M1, right? So from that trajectory we can able to find out the mass of that particular atoms or subatomic particles. And here we are using uniform magnetic field and current in mass spectroscope. And Indian Standard Time IST is linked to a set of atomic clocks. Uncertainty in time realization as plus or minus 1 into 10 power minus 13. This implies that the uncertainty gained over by such a device is less than 1 part in 10 power 13. They lose or gain not more than 3 microseconds in 1 year. So understand that they lose or gain not more than 3 microseconds. 3 microseconds means 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 seconds in 1 year. So this is the range of mass we have. So the minimum range we have 10 to the power minus 30 kg and the maximum we have 10 to the power 55 kg, right? So we have the range from 10 power minus 30 kg to 10 to the power 55 kg. Here we have the number of large number of masses we have. For the electron, in the extreme right side, electron we have, right? The electron have which is in the order of 10 to the power minus 30, and proton 10 to the power minus 27, uranium atom 10 to the power minus 25, red blood cell 10 to the power minus 13 kg, dust particle 10 to the power minus 9 kg, raindrop which is in the 10 to the power minus 6 kg. So similarly we have large numbers, right? So if you are going back to the positive values, human have the value of 10 to the power 2 kg and the automobile have 10 to the power 3 kg, Boeing 747 aircraft 10 to the power 8 kg, moon has 10 to the power 23 kg, earth 10 to the power 25 kg, sun is 10 to the power 30 kg, Milky Way galaxy is 10 to the power 41 kg, and observable universe is 10 to the power 55. And here you can able to see some size of proton which is 10 to the power minus 15 meter size, okay, length, and size of the atomic nucleus is 10 to the power minus 14, size of hydrogen atom is 10 to the power minus 10, length of typical virus is 10 to the power minus 8, wavelength of light is 10 to the power minus 7, and size of red blood corpuscles 10 to the power minus 5, thickness of a paper is 10 to the power minus 4, the height of Mount Everest above the sea level is 10 to the power 4, the radius of earth 10 to the power 7, the distance of the moon from the earth is 10 to the power 8, the distance of the sun from the earth 10 to the power 11, the distance of Pluto from the sun 10 to the power 13, the size of our galaxy 10 to the power 21, and the distance to Andromeda galaxy 10 to the power 22, the distance to the boundary of observable universe is 10 to the power 26. These are the some ranges of length. Here we have the measurement of time. So atomic standard of time we are now using, which is based on the periodic vibration produced in cesium atom. So that cesium atom is making a vibration between two transition. From that vibration we are using the wristwatch or normal watch, right? So we now use an atomic standard of time which is based on the periodic vibration produced in cesium atom. This is the basis of cesium clock, sometimes called atomic clock. In the cesium atomic clock, the second is taken as the time needed for 91926317770, that much vibration of the radiation corresponding to the transition between two hyperfine levels of the ground state of cesium 133 atom. The vibration of the cesium atom regulates the rate of this cesium atomic clock, just as the vibration of the balance wheel regulate an ordinary wristwatch or the vibration of a small quartz crystal regulate a quartz wristwatch. And the national standard of time interval is second, as well as the frequency is maintained through 4 cesium atomic clocks. So as we know that the time is equal to the reciprocal of frequency, T is equal to 1 by F, that F is frequency. The cesium atomic clock is used at the National Physical Laboratory NPL, New Delhi, to maintain the Indian standard of time. Here I have mentioned the range of time. So the lifespan of most unstable particle is 10 to the power minus 24 seconds. The time period for the light to cross a nuclear distance 10 to the power minus 22 seconds. The period of X-rays 10 to the power minus 19 seconds. The period of atomic vibration 10 to the power minus 15 seconds. The period of light wave is 10 to the power minus 15. Lifetime of an excited state of an atom 10 to the power minus 8. The period of radio wave 10 to the power minus 6 seconds. The period of sound wave 10 to the power minus 3 seconds. Wink of eye 10 to the power minus 11. Time between the successive human heartbeats 10 to the power 0, that is 1. The travel time for light from the moon to earth 10 to the power 0, that is also 1. The travel time for the light from the sun to the earth is 10 to the power 2. The time period of satellite is 10 to the power 4. The rotation period of earth is 10 to the power 5. The rotation and revolution periods of the moon 10 to the power 6. The revolution period of earth is 10 to the power 7. The travel time for the light from the nearest star is 10 to the power 8. The average human lifespan is 10 to the power 9. The age of Egyptian pyramids 10 to the power 11. Time since dinosaurs become extinct 10 to the power 15. The age of universe is 10 to the power 17. So these are all some range of time, right?